Hello students, I am Varun Pandey. I am going to discuss class 7 subject science chapter 2, and the name of the chapter is nutrition in animals. But inside chapter 2 nutrition in animals, we are going to describe digestion in the stomach and digestion and absorption in the small intestine. So first of all I am going to describe digestion in the stomach. So inside digestion in the stomach, stomach is a muscular organ. Stomach is a muscular organ that is found in upper left side of the abdomen. Stomach is a muscular organ that is found in the upper left side of the abdomen, and the swallowed food stays in the stomach for about 4 hours. Swallowed food in the stomach stay in about 4 hours. The walls of the stomach secrete digestive juices, acid and mucus. The walls of the stomach secrete digestive juices, acid and mucus. So digestive juices digest protein in the food to simpler substances. Simply we can say, in other words we can say, the digestive juices digest protein in the food to simpler form. The acid kills bacteria and other germs that are present in the swallowed food. Acid, which secreted by the walls of the stomach, that is called hydrochloric acid, chemically it is called HCl. So acid kills bacteria and other germs that are present in the swallowed food. It also helps the digestive enzyme to act to their function. That means it also helps the digestive enzymes to carry out their function simply. And mucus coats the walls of the stomach and prevent it from being digested. Mucus coats the walls of the stomach and prevents it from being digested by the digestive juices. That means mucus coats the walls of the stomach and prevents it from being digested. That means prevent it from corroded by the digestive juices, walls of the stomach. The walls of the stomach also contract and relax. That means walls of the stomach also contract and relax also, thus helping the mix the digestive juices with the food. Walls of the stomach contract and relax and helps to mix the digestive juices with food. Then the food is made into semi-solid. Food is made into semi-solid. It is called chyme, which is then passed to the small intestine. But after this, I am going to describe digestion and absorption in the small intestine. So the small intestine is a long, narrow, coiled tube that is around 7 meters long. It is found in the lower abdomen. Small intestine is found in the lower abdomen and it is 7 meters long. So it is too much long, 7 meters. But how exists in the human body? It exists in the human body in coil form. This is 7 meters long. So the walls of the small intestine secrete digestive juices. The liver secretes bile, which stores in the gallbladder. Liver secrete bile, that means secretion of liver is called bile and stores in the gallbladder. Bile is released into the small intestine when needed. Pancreatic juice are secreted by the pancreas into the small intestine, and bile breaks down food into droplets, teeny droplets, which can be easily acted on by the digestive juices. That means bile break down fat into teeny droplets, which can be easily acted on by the digestive juices. The digestive juices secreted by the walls of the small intestine break down fat into simpler substances that can be absorbed. That means digestive juices secreted by the walls of the small intestine and break down fat into their simpler form. And the pancreatic juices break down starch into simple sugar and proteins and fat into simple substances. So the small intestine also play an important role in the absorption of the digested food. Small intestine play an important role in the absorption of the food in the small intestine, and blood into the bloodstream. The inner wall of the small intestine have numerous projection. Inner wall of the small intestine have the numerous finger-like projection that are called villi, and the villi increase surface area for the absorption of food. The digested food enter the blood vessel into the villi through their thin walls. So the food when digested, so the digested food, what happened? Digested food enter the blood vessel in the villi through their thin walls. So this much enough. Thanks.